firstly, I'm going to use this Jove skin toner and spritzing all over my face. I'm massaging it in just to kind of penetrate this product in my skin. The second step, what I'm gonna do next is Dermatique skin toner. Now it's the actual skin toner. I'm using it and just cleansing out my pores deeply. After this, I'm gonna use this Aroma Magic Skin Lightening Serum. Now I use this for a radiant glow, not for the actual skin lightening. And I'm putting this all over my hand and just massaging it over my face and letting it dry. Next up, I love the skin gloss from Lakme. This is super hydrating and lets my pores breathe so well that you guys will love it too. Do try it and you'll know the magic. I put it all over my face and neck just to feel refreshed. Next, for my hair, I use this OSIS Plus Hair Serum. I love this serum because this helps my hair texture to be improved. And I put this all over my hair and then I just hair dry my hair like I roughly do it. And then the last step is Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm. This just end up my skincare routine. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.